Jiangsu Shanqi Heavy Industry Technology Co. Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Shanqi Group Co. Limited. It has a strong R&D team and holds over 170 valid patents. The company is equipped with advanced laser cutting machines, CNC machining centers, welding robots, and a wide variety of automated processing equipment. It independently develops and manufactures core components, boasting advanced manufacturing technologies and a complete quality system. The new energy forklifts of the company perform remarkably well in energy saving. The company's main products, including lithium, battery forklifts, internal combustion forklifts, electric pallet trucks, small skid steer loaders, telescopic handler loaders, small excavators, and large loaders, etc., achieve full process quality control through systems such as IQCP, Incoming Quality Control Plan, PQCF, Process Quality Control Flow, FQC, Final Quality Control, IQCP, Outgoing Quality Control, and CSQC, Statistical Quality Control. All products can only be delivered to customers after they have passed a complete safety and reliability test process, and relevant records have been filed. These products are exported to more than 30 countries in regions like the European Union, the Americas, and Southeast Asia.